Today we talk about how can you enable order drafts on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. When notifications show for you, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on staff notifications here. So when you click on staff notifications, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to new draft order. Then you click in this sign here. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean your draft order enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.